Hello, today I will show you how to use StarRocks and Python UDF. Here is the example. The demo is the Python UDF name. The big int is the input type. The big int is the return type. And the symbol is the Python UDF function name. And here is the Python UDF function define. Okay, let's try create it in StarRocks. Okay, it is successful. Then we could use it like normal StarRocks functions. Yes, it query successful. Besides the Scala Python UDF, we also support the vector version Python UDF. The difference between the Scala and the vector Python UDF is in the Scala UDF, we process data row by row, and in the vector version Python UDF, we process the data batch by batch. So the vector version Python UDF performance is more better. Okay, if you don't need the Python UDF again, you could drop the Python UDF like you drop the Java UDF in StarRocks. Okay, that's all. Welcome to try the StarRocks Python UDF. The more detail you could refer to the StarRocks document.